Have you ever wondered why many SMEs struggle to raise capital, despite the fact that there's a lot of capital that is actually out there, available to be invested in companies? One of the most heated conversations I've had with a lot of investors is usually centered around that very subject. Why are investors not providing them with capital? And it's a very tricky subject to address. Many are frustrated, even bordering on being angry with a lot of investors, angry that there's a lot of money that they are not investing in their companies, angry that they rather watch them die rather than provide them with capital. And I thought that, look, it might be helpful for me to provide perspective to SMEs and to entrepreneurs and let you into the minds of investors a bit for you to understand how investors think. The question is this: why do investors not invest in SMEs, or why do they not invest as much as SMEs think or expect that they should? The first thing is that many capital providers are not the owner of the money. They are not the owner of the capital. For example, Sayal Capital, where I work, we do not own the capital that we invest. We are like an intermediary, we're a conduit. We actually take the capital from the owners and we provide that capital to SMEs. So when you think that, look, you guys have the final say, you have the final decision, to an extent we do, but we are investing on behalf of a third party. Even family offices, that invest on behalf of HNIs, high net worth individuals. The people that run and manage the fund, they're hired hands, right? They're hired managers that manage the fund. It is not theirs. And I think that's one perspective that SMEs need to understand as much as possible.